What if we could have internet everywhere, even in the most remote places, without laying a single cable? Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating paper about base stations in the sky called HPS. HPS, or high-altitude platform stations, are basically giant solar-powered drones or balloons that fly way up in the stratosphere, about 20 to 50 kilometers high. They're designed to act as floating cell towers, bridging the gap between our networks on the ground and satellites in space. The paper compares HPS to our existing options. Ground-based towers can't cover everywhere, and satellites are far away, which means slower, higher latency internet. Regular drones can't stay up for very long due to battery limitations. HPS hit the sweet spot. They provide wide coverage like satellites, but are much closer, meaning faster connections. Plus, they can stay airborne for weeks or even months at a time. So what can we do with them? The possibilities are huge. They can bring internet to rural and remote areas that are currently offline, helping to close the digital divide. After a natural disaster when ground networks are down, HPS can be quickly deployed to provide emergency communications for first responders. They can also handle unexpected traffic surges, like at a massive concert or sporting event, by adding capacity from the sky. The researchers also explore futuristic ideas like using HPS to manage aerial highways for fleets of delivery drones, ensuring they can all communicate reliably. They could even support advanced services like remote driving and immersive virtual reality anywhere in the world. The paper discusses two main ways they can work. A simple bent pipe model just relays signals back and forth, like a mirror in the sky. But the more advanced regenerative model has all the processing on board, essentially making it a fully functional, independent cell tower flying high above the Earth. This more advanced approach is the direction the technology is heading, as demonstrated by projects like Google's former Project Loon. Of course, it's not all easy, and there are major hurdles to overcome. The paper highlights challenges like managing interference with existing ground and satellite signals so everything can work together harmoniously. Scientists also need to perfectly model the complex atmospheric effects on communication signals at such high altitudes. And then there are the legal questions. Who gets to control this new layer of airspace? So, to recap, this research outlines how HPS can act as a critical missing link in our global communication network. They offer a flexible and powerful middle ground between terrestrial towers and space satellites. By providing wide area, low latency coverage, they could become a cornerstone of future 6G networks. The ultimate goal is to connect the unconnected and hyperconnect our existing infrastructure. If these challenges can be solved, these base stations in the sky could truly change how the world communicates. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.